Alright guys, this is Art from La Florida. We're here at Eric's Hotbox Pizza Truck, his property where we're building our truck. He told me to go ahead and start the fire. So I'm starting the fire for the first time. I don't know what I'm doing, but I hope I learn from him what needs to be done. And oh boy. Okay. Let me show you what we're doing inside. Just trying to start fire with little twigs and stuff. I know this is not the professional way, but that's how I'm gonna do it here. So for now, that's how we're gonna start this fire. And hopefully Eric comes here before I blow up anything. So.
You got fire yet?
Yeah, we're starting. Eric from Hotbox Pizza Truck is here supervising.
You might have some troubles there.
Why?
Gotta start small.
Oh, I thought
That big stuff ain't gonna start.
I start small. Oh boy. Okay guys, we're gonna adjust any.
I'm gonna let him go at it. I ain't saying nothing.
It's smoky here. I feel like it's super dry, so it might catch up on fire. So
It's dry. Yeah, it should be. You bring the blade for the granite?
no, I'm gonna get it when I didn't know I need to bring it. I'm gonna get it on my way back for Tiffany. Okay. Oh shoot. Let me touch you before I do anything dangerous here. See somebody without experience. That's what you're supposed to. That's the feeling of somebody without experience doing this. I think we're good on this thing. I think we're good on this. Oh no. Oh no. Our only source of fire just fell down. It's getting there. I think we're good. I think we're good. You can see the chimneys sucking all the smoke outside, so it's not going inside the truck. Even that everything's open. I open all the windows, the door is open, the tops is open, and it's still just most of the smoke. Oh no, okay, I just jinxed myself, it's coming out now. Well, we'll see you later guys, as soon as I start some fire here. Okay, it's like literally 30 seconds after I shut the camera off. Something is starting. Oh, you know what? I closed the door. The door was closed in the back, so now it's all getting. Let me go in the back and open the door. How we can touch this camera here? Let me open the door in the back real quick. fire.
Too much fire for a
Not-
old pipe?
Not too much. It just there is no fire. Just like have smoke and a small flame.
Once that pipe gets heated up and the fire gets going, it won't smoke anymore.
It was sucking it in, but as soon as the back door was shut from the wind, it just stopped. Eric, check this thing out.
What?
The bottom have a little bit smoky.
It's because it's just going down that
The hole that we have for the gas.
side.
Okay.
You can always put a plate over that.
Yeah, I think maybe I even gonna put a brick or something there. Alright, that's gonna be the routine here. Turn on the fire in the mornings. A to Z by myself. Nobody's gonna be there. See you guys later. Woo. So Eric suggests me to close all the windows and the doors and the back door that I thought it's better to be open, so there is no wind coming in and out, and now it seems like it's catching a stable fire. We're just gonna start small because we don't want to overload this oven that didn't work for a while, so slowly. What's the game plan for today?
He's got to take advantage of me giving him time on my day off and the light. We got to get the oven bolted up. We got to hang the gray water tank, and then run the drain pipe into that. Finish putting our lights up. Get everything out.
Yeah, but
You need a clean. We got a few little things to caulk. Maybe we get time to make a ring around the flue pipe, a decorative ring. But that's it. It's done.
done,
That's
guys.
literally it. I mean,
We send all the
countdown's
paperwork.
on. Of course, there's a few things you can always poke around with, but
The paperwork is sent, so any day, any week, they're gonna be calling and set up the inspection.
time to get this thing cleaned up. We'll make some pizzas later.
I'm gonna bring my dough that I made yesterday, and we're gonna make some pizzas.
We're burning daylight. Let's roll.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's catching up on fire here. All the wood, so we're good for now. We'll be right back.
We had a fire. We got a new pizzaiolo.
Boys and girls,
Yeah,
that's how you
yeah.
learn from noobs.
He had a nice little fire going and he completely murdered it.
Boys and girls, we're learning from noobs here. That just shows you that if I'm gonna get this fire going at the end, you can do it too.
We're getting down and dirty underneath the truck, getting the oven bolted up. Front's done, back corner's done. Now we got the other back corner to do, and the oven's going to be fully bolted up. Art's just got to go get a few more pieces of hardware. I told him to throw a little more wood on the fire, and then he decided to disassemble the fire. All right, see you guys. Art's off to go get some hardware, and I was just standing here and looking at the oven and the smoke rolling. And we're starting to empty everything out of the truck. He'll be right back. He's just going to get some hardware. Kids are playing outside, and it's just like, man, I'm going to look back at this and be like, the good old days. Remember wins. And you got to suck it all up, just soak it all in and enjoy the projects. We've come so far. Hello, buddy. From an old Snap-on tool truck. It's just unbelievable. Alright, guys. I hope you can, yeah, we can see here nicely. Grade 8 hardware, lock nuts and washers on this particular one because it's right up against the beam. Nothing, and then it's got a washer and a lock nut on top. And that side, the same situation. Boom, and then boom, and then in the front, I was able to get 3 out of 4. You can't even see them. Those were hard. 3 out of 4 I was able to get the lock nuts and bolts and all that, the washers on, and then the other spot I put a lag bolt in. I broke one of them off on one side and the other one's good, so I'll take you in and show you. Now we're gonna hang the wastewater tank back up. See our straps and our eye hooks. We'll get that hung back up, and then we're gonna get the wastewater pipe back in. All right. There's the kids riding by. Say hi. Okay. Where are you taking those? Careful, there's a screw, I think, in one of them. Well, they need them for the fort or something. One man's trash is another man's treasure. That's how it rolls. All right, so I got, you can see 1, 2, 3, and then where we had to come up, we went ahead and put that. So at this point, if this oven rips off, it's because Art has flipped the truck. The truck is on its side, and I believe that the legs will still be bolted in and the oven will come off the stand.
Probably.
So that's a huge accomplishment. On to the next project. We're making some headway here. We'll see you guys. Now we're building some heat. Now we got a fire going. Burning clean too. That's it. Once your pipe gets hot and your wood gets burning nice, you don't have a smoke issue. The walls are white, the black's gone. She's maybe not 100% up to temp, but you can start making some pizzas right now if you moved it and swept it. Alright, see you guys soon. What do you say? What are you up to? How many inches is that? All hands on deck right now. We got all the helpers. Alright, back at it. We'll fix it. Alright. Coming down. Goes there. And straight into the tank. I just need to silicone around that. But tank's hung. That's going to be my only worry, is how low that waste valve hangs. But if we rip it off, we'll figure something out. So, you know, it is what it is. Okay. Okay, it's leaving its spot. We're gonna go move it up to the side of my house so I can plug in. I got a 50 amp plug. We're just gonna take it easy. But I got a 50 amp plug so we can plug in and run shore power on all the lights and stuff, because we're gonna cook some pizzas tonight. Art's been in there cleaning. It's looking good. gate open a little bit for him. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel. There we go. Come straight out. Go ahead. Oh yeah, we're real low with that. I'm super worried about that. We'll find out right now when he goes up on the road. Give her the garlic. Oh yeah, we hit. Okay, I don't like that at all. The rookie boy's here, flipping fridges. Busted a handle, it's no big deal. But I tell you what, that oven, she's looking tight. The oven's looking tight.
Going straight to your neighborhood or U-turn?
No, turn left. Don't go through the neighborhood. Turn on the road right here. Yeah, turn where that truck just came down. All right, guys.